Hey there, today I want to show you this sample I received from the brand Lush&Dew. This is an edible flower seed bank, and I want to open it up and show you all the different varieties in this box. As we zoom in, you're going to see that the Lush&Dew edible flowered seed bank comes in this very cool kit. It's in a little wooden box, little see-through top on it with a nice clasp. And open it up, and then we just have 32 types of edible flower seeds, 30,000 plus non-GMO heirloom seeds for planting. These are culinary flowers. All of them are edible. Some of them are open pollinators. We have rose mallow, violas, sweet violets, marigolds, cornflower, cow cockle, lavender, borage, sage, thyme, oregano, chives, fennel, cilantro. So what I'm going to do, a couple of different plantings with this. I'm going to do an outdoor raised planter, and then I'm going to do some of these other ones like the sage and the chive and the oregano inside in my windowsill. Very, very cool. I want you to check out the containers they come in. You can see nice healthy seeds in here, and if you shake away the seeds, you can see each one is labeled and has a picture of what this is going to end up looking like and what it is. It's going to broaden my knowledge of flowers, and I am just in heaven with this one. So they call this the From Garden to Table Survival Seed Kit. So very cool. So what can you do with the edible flower seed bank? Well, you can plant them, and then the resulting plants you can use in teas, infusions, salads, seasoning. You can plant these as windowsill plants if you would like. You can plant them in raised containers. You can plant them in the yard. We have 32 varieties. They're all USA grown seeds. This is an awesome, awesome gift. Mother's Day is coming. I would have just fallen over if I had received this for a Mother's Day gift. I do believe that there's a version of this product that comes with an almanac, and that would make just a wonderful gift to a mom or anyone who actually loves gardening.